Whoa! That was a little far back. Woo, welcome back, everybody. We're back on the Z's. I did want to ride the KLX today, but his back brake is blown out on his dirt bike, so taking out the Z's for now. But shit, y'all might notice that the bike sounds a little quieter. I actually broke off the that aftermarket exhaust I had. Just broke off right at the flange where it bolts up to the header. Super random. I mean, I've taken this bike off-road a lot and done a lot of things this bike is not made to do, and then also done a lot of wheelies, so coming down from wheelies. So I don't know if it's something I did or if it just randomly broke. I don't know. I'm gonna try to maybe JB weld it or something, but yeah, I threw the stock exhaust on for the time being. So it's super weird riding this thing with the stock exhaust going from that aftermarket exhaust. Feels like a gas golf cart compared to like a pit bike like it did before. Definitely prefer the aftermarket exhaust. Oh, slow wheelie. Oh!
They get like 100 miles to the gallon.
So I know a lot of people wonder if you gain any really power at all switching from a stock exhaust to just a aftermarket kind of straight pipe type exhaust. And I honestly do feel like I lost some of that bottom end grunt, but it could be in my head. We made it over to the little local trail. You've probably seen these trails in some of my videos. Just recently I had that wipeout on the KLX. That was down here. So I guess we're off-roading the Z's here for a second. Yep, right here is where I wiped out about a week or two ago. Back onto the streets, baby. Damn it. Oh man, it's weird not hearing your exhaust. so much fun. Just neighborhood mobbing, baby. Oh yeah. What do we got here?
I was trying to sit down,
Woo! Low Bojangle stop mandatory. Let's get a few more in. All right, let's see if we can go all the way up this hill. Damn, almost. Let me know if y'all like these Z125 mobbing videos. They don't seem to do as well as the KLX videos, but if you enjoy them, definitely let me know in the comments, because I like making them, but I try to stick to more of the KLX stuff, since that's what I know a lot of people are subscribed for. But gotta get out and rip these sometimes. It's just too fun. Alright, last one. I'm gonna try to hold this one for a good bit. Let's try to bust out one more wheelie for y'all real quick. See how long we can keep this one up. One more. Damn, this stock exhaust life ain't too bad, actually. People ain't even look over what I'm wheeling by. Definitely some pros to being stealthy. Ah, sloppy. Oh yeah. No! Damn, I keep coming back for more. Ah, I got a little too slow and lost it. But I think we're gonna end this ride here, everybody. So thank you guys for watching. I always link my levers, the exhaust I used to have on there. Link the exhaust below, and what else? Oh yeah, my fender eliminator as well. So be sure to check the links in the description for that. Be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video, everybody. Peace.